Hi everybody and welcome to FIBO Group's tutorial on the Metatrader 4 platform. To add a stop loss to your current trading positions, you just come down to the terminal at the bottom of the window and right click the trade you would like to add the stop loss on. Now select Modify or Delete Order and make sure that Modified Order here is selected. You can choose the amount of points you would like to add for a stop loss and then click Copy As. Remember that if you choose 20 points, it will be equal to 2 pips. You can also enter the numbers manually in the stop loss field or even use the arrow to enter the stop loss. Now click the Modify button and you will see an updated stop loss down in your terminal window. That's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next lesson.